it until 6 weeks, which she's 6 weeks next week.
Yeah.
Next week you're gonna be 6 weeks? You're gonna be a big girl? My little nugget? I love you so much. You wanna go for a walk today? It's so nice outside. You like to go outside. Okay, Mom. You got some wavy hair today, huh? Yeah, if you don't brush it, it stays kind of wavy.
Mom, where do you see those waves? Because
Right
I don't see it.
there and right there.
Oh my gosh, let me see.
They're
Ooh.
right there.
I need magnifying glass to see those waves.
I have my mom's hair, okay?
I think I am just beautiful like my mom was when she was a baby. Just wave, Mom.
You're prettier than I was. For sure.
She is gonna be a knockout.
Everybody likes your big, big ojos. They love
Yep.
those ojos.
She's so cute.
Oh. Oh, you have gas? That's okay. Don't talk about me right now. I'm trying to...
Okay.